Today we'll be installing Jenkins, so let's start. First open a terminal and first let's check the status whether Jenkins is installed or not. So just type the following command and press enter. And as you can see that Jenkins.service couldn't be found. It basically means that Jenkins isn't installed on the system. So yeah, let's install it. We'll be using these 4 commands for installing it. So just copy and paste them one by one over the terminal. Press Y and enter. Jenkins has been installed, so just let's check the status once again. As you can see that status is active over here, so it basically means that Jenkins has been installed and the service has been started. So just let's confirm that. Open your browser and just type localhost :8080 in your URL and press enter. Yes, Jenkins has been installed. That's it.